Welcome back to Top on Sale Product Recommendations. Today we're checking out one of the most advanced and affordable smartwatches on the market, the 2025 GUHUAVMI Nursing Health Laser Smartwatch. If you're serious about your health and fitness, this one is worth your attention. And it's currently 75% off. This premium smartwatch comes with a 1.47-inch AMOLED HD display, offering crystal clear visuals and a smooth touch interface. Built with sapphire glass and an alloy case, it's durable, stylish, and water-resistant, perfect for any lifestyle. The GUHUAVMI smartwatch is loaded with advanced health monitoring features: heart rate and blood pressure tracking, blood oxygen and body temperature monitoring, ECG and HRV reporting, sleep and stress tracking, and even AI-based health risk assessments. It's like having a mini health assistant right on your wrist. With Bluetooth 5.3, you get stable calling, message notifications, and even voice assistant integration. The watch pairs seamlessly with both Android and iOS using the H-Band app, keeping all your fitness data synced in real time. Battery life? Impressive! You'll get up to 10 to 15 days of performance on a single charge, thanks to its 530 mAh high-capacity battery and low-power chipset. Plus, it supports wireless charging for a hassle-free experience. Whether you're working out, tracking your health, or taking calls on the go, this watch delivers a perfect blend of style, precision, and performance. Price now, only $20.94. Original, $82.42. A massive 75% off. Click the link in the description below to buy and grab this amazing deal before it's gone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tech reviews and product deals every week.